Like I was such a people pleaser and I was trying to just follow what everybody thought of me. And come on! Let's go, we're rolling here. Like, I'm gonna just do me, and I'm just like, hopefully people who know me and love me and care for me don't disown me. And if you do... Hi! Hi guys! Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys a little something, which is how to organize your kitchen and your fridge, because I know some of y'all are dirty. And that's also me from time to time. And that time is right now, because my fridge right now is a huge mess. Kitchen's a huge mess. Always a huge mess. I'm gonna show y'all, okay? Alright, y'all. So do you see this? My fridge is like pretty empty right now. Important thing that I have are these little bins. Do you see that? You can get these at Costco, or you probably go to the Container Store and buy them. I love having these, but if you have kids or a husband that don't take care of the stuff around the house, would not recommend. But if you don't have either of those, or you have people in your household that obey the way you organize stuff, then highly recommended. All right, step one in a clean kitchen. Obviously put your dishes away, but for anyone that lives by themselves, my rule of thumb is to not buy a lot of dishes. Like, I own 3 pairs of everything. Plates, spoons, cups, because I feel like once you have a lot of things, it's really hard to make sure that it's clean. I feel like you can let the dishes pile up for a long time, but if you only have 4 sets, it's like, you got 4 days. You got 4 days. You know you have 4 plates? 4, yes, 4. Okay, now get to cleaning, alright? Get to cleaning, Cinderella. Another tip, how to arrange your kitchen. These plates, you guys, they look, I mean, do they look nice? They look just like regular plates. But they are from Dollar Tree. You can get Dollar Tree plates. I use these like Dollar Tree mason jars as my cups. Hello? Okay, my whole set was 12 bucks at this point. Alright, pro tip number 2, minimalism is key, okay? Like, I bought this. Also, all this stuff is like cheap. Look, I bought this dish rack from IKEA and I love it because it just goes over the sink. Especially if you have like a small home. After you like wash your dishes and you use it, you can just tuck it like back under your sink. And it's just like, it looks super clean. Like I said, minimalism is the key, guys. I do not believe in single-use appliances, and by that I mean, I'm sorry, I love my Asian and Hispanic households, but I don't believe in rice cookers. I'm sorry guys. Okay, rice cookers to me, someone prove me wrong. But a rice cooker, obviously you can cook various different rice, but it does one thing. Like, it does one thing. Okay, and I say all this, but I also recognize that I purchased like waffle makers, blenders, like, I guess those are stuff that's like single use, but not really. I don't know, like, it's single use to me because you only can cook one kind of thing in it. Well, at least a blender, you can cook various kinds of like ingredients and put it together. Waffle maker, definitely single use. Definitely single use. But, so I try not to buy stuff. You guys, you can cook rice over the stovetop, okay? I'm not getting into this right now. I'm not playing with y'all. You can cook it over the stovetop, okay? Me and my old roommate, love my old roommate, but we got into it because I was having a personal vendetta against her rice cooker. It was also ginormous, but I know I'm gonna be this is an unpopular opinion. I'm probably gonna lose all my subscribers right now, and I'm like, okay, bye you guys, sorry. Alright, y'all, so this is the little Costco haul moment. But this is, like I said, what inspired this video to even be created in the first place. Because I personally like to restock my inventory of things, which is usually gonna be a lot, like just like fruits. I buy a lot of fruits. These, oh my god, this, I'm telling you, they are putting something in this thing, alright? I don't know what. You pick the drug, that's what's in here, okay? These are so good, but they're so expensive. If you buy these individually in like a gas station or just somewhere, this is like $5 each one. So save your money, go to Costco, okay? You can get 12 for like 20 bucks. For this, that's a steal. But these are so good. They're basically just like protein bars. And they're not like super healthy for all my like macro tracking girlies. Like, that's not, I genuinely crave this though. Like, I genuinely crave this. But it does fulfill like that craving where it's like, you want something sweet. So, this is a good one. So anyways, I like to restock all of my stuff in my fridge. Alright, so if you have these, don't be dirty. This is like a plate. So you have to clean it every single time that you restock. So let's wash this real quick. Okay, so now that we have washed our containers over here drying, we can now wash our fruit. I don't have one of those like fancy fruit washers, or like the little sprays. I just wash it with my hand and with water, so let's do it. At first I was using like a strainer, but then I was like, wait, literally this has at the bottom holes for a reason. Or is there another reason to have like a hole at the bottom? I don't know. But I just wash in here. Alright, so now you're gonna put the fruit in the little basket. I like to take the stems off of it so that whenever you just like, for me I do this because like when I like just to snack on fruit, I like to just make it as easily accessible as possible. Ah! No! My grape! Gotta rewash it. You have to make a little room for the other fruit. And I also had some of my old, but like previous strawberries that I had, so I'm gonna put it on top. Alright, now do the same thing for your blueberries. You have to be careful with this one because these will go flying. I like to do my blueberries separate because I always put this in like morning yogurt. Okay, now if there's like a drink that you guys drink often, like soda, juice, whatever, or not, you can use another one of your bins. Okay, this Costco thing comes with like 50 bins. So I have some in my fridge, some in the pantry, some like, I just use it for whatever. Because I was like, why, like, Costco, sometimes I'm just like, Costco gives you a lot more than what you need. Like, I'm like I'll see some of the stuff and I'm like, why does somebody need a 50-pound bag of chocolate chips? Like, unless you're, like at that point you're probably like you have a distributor that provides to your restaurant. Like why does a person need like that much? You know what I mean? But hey, that's Costco for you. So I use this bin and I put in these little coffees that I like to get in Costco. I like to drink this with like a little protein shake because you get your protein in and you don't really have to worry too much about like how many calories. There's 15 calories in each one of these. So it's actually like, and it makes like a lot of a drink. I put that inside like that, and this is like available for myself or if I have guests. So this is just a regular bin from inside of my fridge. So this is actually like a nice little thing if you have stuff. No, I feel like if you have like little treats for your kids or something. In my case, this is where I put like my frozen or refrigerated treats, like these bars. So I like to I get 2 boxes of them because I really like them a lot. And I like my food like separated in its like little spot. I don't know why. I honestly don't know why I care about this. It like matters nothing. There's no rhyme or reason to it. I just like when I open my fridge, I'm like, I know where everything is. It looks appealing to eat it, so it makes me not buy too much food outside my home. Right? You can see this how this drawer looks. This is like an advertisement for this bar. The last piece is everything else that just kind of goes in the fridge. So I'm vegetarian and I use this like little section over here. It's one of these bins and I just put whatever tofu or random like vegetarian food I put in here. But I feel like for meat eaters, y'all can have like a bin just for like your meats. Last thing, so my friend gave me half of her Costco order, so I didn't do it this time. But I have that thing for my eggs too. The only trick is you don't know which ones are the newer ones or the older ones. I would just take like, as you get new ones, put the newer ones on top or closer like to you. Alright you guys, time to show you the finished product. So nothing too impressive here at the door. And then this is the fridge itself. You can see the top row, I have like my eggs, some of like my take to go stuff. The middle drawer, I have like a lot of my fruits, my, like in my case, vegetarian stuff, but your guys' cases, it could be meat. Coffee's on the bottom, my little bars inside that drawer, yogurts, more fruits that are like with a peel, and then at the bottom I have my veggies. Like on the left side I do veggies, on the right side I do kind of like potatoes or veggies that don't go bad quickly. I'm sweating like crazy right now. Today's the last day. That's gonna be like this in California, and then it's gonna get into fall. So I'm so ready for you guys to come. Please, please, fall, come help us. You see this? Oh my god. So that was it for my fridge. I'm not gonna bother to show you guys my freezer because it's a mess and it's always a mess. But that might be another video. We're gonna organize my freezer with me because I we really do need to organize. Thank you guys for tuning in for today. I hope you guys, it gives you a little inspiration to organize your stuff. Like I said, get your little containers, replenish your fruits and veggies. Thank you guys. Peace out.